Hi, I'm Chris with Weldment Dock and Lift. Today we're going to be installing the Confi-Dock Pontoon System. We're going to start with measuring out the center point of the lift beam. On this particular 6000 hydraulic lift, that measurement is 59. Once I have 59 marked, we're going to measure out 22 and a half. So I'm going to take my measurement from the center. I'm going to mark 22 and a half. Going to do that on the back beam and the front beam. After you have both the front and rear beam marked out, we're going to grab our side weldments and get those installed on the lift. For this part, it helps to have a second hand. They're pretty heavy. Okay. Once you got your weldment in place, we're going to bolt it down to the lift beam. In order to do that, we're going to use 2 U-bolts, 2 bottom plates, and 4 silicon bronze 3/8 nuts. Once you got your first weldment down, you're going to grab your second weldment and repeat the process. Once you've got everything bolted down, double check your measurements. Make sure the width of the guides are going to fit between the width of the inside of your outside pontoons. Double check that everything is tight. Next, we're going to install the optional bow stop on the Confi-Dock Pontoon System. To install the bow stop on the Confi-Dock system, first of all, you're going to start off with 4 3/8 by 3/4 inch set screw bolts. We're going to slightly thread these in to the bottom of the side weldments. You want to thread them, get the thread started, but you do not want that bolt to protrude up into the tube yet. After you have your set screws started, you're going to slide in your bow stop inner tube. How far you slide it in is going to be dependent on the length of your boat. Once you get the boat on the boat lift and start the fitment process, you're going to want the weight evenly balanced or evenly distributed amongst the lifting bed. That will determine how far the bow stop sticks out or is retracted in. Next, I'm sliding in my second bow stop inner tube. I'm going to slide that in until it's even with the first tube I slid in, and then I'm going to tighten down my set screws. Next, I'm going to grab 2 more 3/8 by 3/4 inch hex head set screws, and I'm going to grab my bow stop weldment, and I'm going to thread the set screws into the bow stop weldment. Once again, just starting the threads, not having the bolt protrude inside the tube. And I'm going to take this weldment and I'm going to slide it onto the inner tube. Once that bottoms out, you are good to tighten your set screws. I'm going to repeat this process on the other side. The last step is going to be to grab your 5-foot PVC sleeves and slide them on over the tubes. Take your 5-foot PVC sleeve, slide it over the tube, and that's it. You've installed your Confi-Dock Pontoon System. You can dock your pontoon with confidence. If you have any other questions, contact us at bowmandock.com. Thank you for watching.